Take a look at these visuals, viewers. They're from West Bengal on the border with Bangladesh. You must be thinking who these people are and where they are going. These allegedly are the illegal immigrants from Bangladesh who were in West Bengal up until now. Now, after Suvendu Adhikari has become the first BJP chief minister of West Bengal, there is a crackdown on illegal immigrants and infiltrators who've crossed over to the border in India. The Suvendu Adhikari government has adopted a tough detect, delete, deport policy for these illegal infiltrators. They're setting up holding centers where they are identifying all these illegals, holding them up in centers for them to be finally repatriated to Bangladesh. Now, you must be thinking, how are these many people illegally residing in India for that long, and why Mamata Banerjee was not able to do anything up until now, and how were these immigrants unchecked? In fact, a shocking statement has come in from another illegal in India who said that through West Bengal they then moved to other parts of India, and they do not even need any documentation to reside in the Muslim dominated areas of the state. This now is a big challenge, not just for the BJP government in West Bengal, which is now cracking down, but also for the other states in India where these illegals move to from West Bengal, where they get their entry first in. This now is a big task for the Suvendu Adhikari government, and also a big question mark on Mamata Banerjee and a Trinamool Congress, which was in power for 15 years and was unable to do anything to contain this problem of illegals who were occupying Indian land for all these years. In fact, we're also picking up that some of them had even got Aadhaar cards made and voter ID cards made, and they were in fact taking part in the electoral exercise of India. Tell us, what do you think about this new approach of the Suvendu Adhikari government in West Bengal?